Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with unwrapping of this particular Vande Bharat Express over here. So let's go into this and let's open UV editor. So let's just open this UV editor. What we have done up till now is we have done with this unwrapping part. Instead of this, if you want, I can just select this part. Okay, let's just select this edge. This is your this part. This is your this part. Okay. Now let's select the front part. So how we can select? We can select this front part over here. I'll go over here. I'll exclude this totally. So select this part. So definitely we'll get some mirror over here that will exclude it later on. We can exclude that part later on also. So I'm just selecting this particular area over here. So if I select this, so okay, so this part is not covered in this, so we'll be just selecting this part also over here. Alright, so once you're done with this, I can subtract the area if required, and again I can go into this projection. Let's take planar map in x-axis over here, and quick planar map, open UV editor, and again I'll just exclude this out. Let's go into this tools, relax, and if you want you can easily relax it. You can go into this polygon angles and you can easily relax this area, not a problem. So even you can just select the UVs over here and you can relax this part. So you can just select this part and you can relax this. You can select this part and you can easily relax it if required. So I think we can just select this side area. We can relax this part. Looks much perfect. Select this area. Can relax it. So I'll select this bottom part. And relax it. Looks much better. So select this all. Relax it. So this looks much better. Alright, so as you can see, we have unwrapped this 4 elements over here. Again, I'll select this. I can slightly just scale it over here, and if required, I can push it over here, and if required, if you want, you can even relax this. Oops. No. So the rest of the part which is left out, so select this polygons, that's your back and bottom part. Bottom is back is not required because it would be barely visible, so you can just exclude this back part. Select the plane, Z-axis, quick planar map, open UV editor. So this is your bottom part. You can relax it if required. That's totally okay. Need to check this out, what part is selected. Okay, not a problem. We have selected stop also. So again, quick planar map, open UV editor, slightly rotate it, and let's just place this over here. So that this back part is not required. The back part is not required. I can slightly scale this, and I can shuffle it all together inside this. So even you can place it up if required. Once you have unwrapped this all, I can just slightly push this down, and if you want that individually, if you want to smoothen this or relax this, that is possible. It's not working well over here. So first let's save this file. So and isolate this. Now let's go into the UV editor, select this, go into tools. You can just select the model, go into tools, render UV template. I'll increase this width and height to 048 by 2048. render UV template, I'll click on save over here, and I'll again go into this drive where I have saved it. So new folder, I'll name it as texture into this and UVs _1, and I'll save it in the form of JPG over here. So let's open your application, that's your Photoshop. See, you can even do it in Substance Painter if required. You can do it in any of the applications. So we have flattened this particular 3D model in the form of unwrap. So now let's open this UVs over here in Photoshop. So I'll go into this and let's open this UVs over here. Alright. So very first of all, what we'll be doing over here is like, let's open up a reference if required. So let's just again open the reference of this train. I'll go back. So let's just open up the reference over here. Alright. So very first of all, I'll again take a new blank layer and I can just assign up a color. And let's give a screen mode over here, and now we can start up working over here. So for the top part, what we'll be doing over here is like, we'll be creating a white color over here, we'll be assigning a white color. We also have one patch over here, so we can assign a patch. So you can just take a new blank layer, you can take a polygonal lasso tool, so you can just assign this. We can again take a eyedropper tool and you can just pick a color, fill the color, deselect this, slightly scale it and press enter. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. Definitely we'll be covering up with the texturing part in the coming tutorial. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.